Hi, let me show you how you can customize your watch faces on Huawei Watch Fit 4. First, hold on your watch face and click Custom. And here is some things that you can customize, like orientation. You can take horizontal or vertical by swapping up and down. We can also change the color. In this case, on this watch face, only color of these small faces is changing. Let's take this one for example. And here we have other things like functionality of these small faces. Let's take this one. Here is some settings that you can choose. Let's take stress value over here. And on the up, let's take date. So basically every single watch face have different things to customize. Let's take this one. And here is the no customization. So not every single the watch face can be customizable, but let's take this one. As you can see, here is the custom, and here is stuff like emotions, which is based of your emotion, and this cat will be happy or angry. So basically that's depends of your emotions. uh, Here we have other things like color. The background will change based on your emotions. Color can be customized. So color only, color also will be different by your emotions. So every single watch face have different things to customize, and it's like here. Here is the style 1 or style 2, and here you can change functionality of these small clouds. So basically that's all. Subscribe my channel and thank you for watching. Bye.